Hi, what will be the value of x given that you have open bracket minus 1 close bracket to the power of x equals x? Let's have it to the solution. Then recall that from the complex number we have I to the power of 2 to be equals minus 1. So if you have this, then from here where we have minus 1, you can substitute it as I. So here will now be I to the power of 2 to the power of x equals x. Now, remember that when you have a to the power of m, then to the power of n, we can interchange this to be equals a to the power of m multiplied by n. So by applying it here, we are going to have I to the power of 2x to be equals x. Then let us introduce natural log to both sides. That is, we have ln of I to the power of 2x equals ln of x. Then from here, this power will come down to the base as 2x ln of I equals ln of x. So from here, when we divide through by x, so this implies that we are going to have 2 ln of I equals ln of x divided by x. Then from here, we have 2 ln of I to be equals ln of x multiplied by, let's take this one back to the negative index as x to the power of minus 1. Then recall from the relationship between the exponents and natural log that when you have e to the power of ln of a, this will give you back your a. Simply means that when you have x to the power of minus 1 equivalent to the e exponent to the power of ln of x to the power of minus 1, this and this equals. So by putting it here, we are going to have 2 ln of I equals ln of x, this, then multiply by e to the power of ln of x to the power of minus 1. Then from here, we have this to have 2 ln of I equals ln of x, then e to the power of this negative will come down to the base as minus ln of x. Then the next thing is, let's try to make sure that the power and the base here are the same. You can see that we have negative here, so we want to make sure we have negative here. So from here, let's multiply through by negative. So here will now be minus 2 ln of I equals, here will be minus ln of x, then multiply by e to the power of minus ln of x. Then let us recall from something we call W Lambert function that says when you have the W Lambert function of alpha, then multiply by e to the power of alpha, the output will be equals alpha. Why? Because the base and the power are the same, so the output will be either of the one. So now by introducing this one to the left and the right hand side of this expression, so we are going to have the W Lambert function of minus 2 ln of I will be equals the W Lambert function of minus ln of x, then multiply by e to the power of minus ln of x. Now from here, mere looking at this right hand side, you can see that the power and the base are the same, so the output will be either of the one. So we are going to have W Lambert function of minus 2 ln of I equals minus ln of x. Then from here, we have W Lambert function of minus 2 ln of I. Then we can take this negative to the power as ln of x to the power of minus 1. Now to eliminate this, we can take the exponent of both sides as e to the power of this, then e to the power of this. Therefore, this and this will cancel. So we are going to have x to the power of minus 1 equals e, that is the exponent, to the power of W Lambert function of minus 2 ln of I. Then from here, when we take the reciprocal of both sides, therefore we have our x to be equals 1 divided by e to the power of W Lambert function of minus 2 ln of I. Then from here, we must note that from the W Lambert function expression, the W e to the power of W Lambert function of fish, this equals as when you have fish divided by W Lambert function of this fish. So therefore, when we apply this ideology here, we are going to have this expression as follows. Our x will now be equals 1 divided by minus 2 ln of I, again divided by W Lambert function of minus 2 ln of I. So when we apply this particular expression to this given problem, so we are going to have this as this, where we have our fish that is here and here to be minus 2 ln of I. So finally, we have our x to be equals, this will go up, then to now be minus W Lambert function of minus 2 ln of I, then divided by divided by 2 ln of I. So, and this is the final solution for the value of x. If you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.